there is something wrong in our society. Learning, the acquisition of knowledge or skills through study experience are being taught. In ancient times, people sent their children to Gurukul. They acquired knowledge from saints and rishis. Throughout all the day, they spent time with elders, teachers, by learning verbally, in script, and by traveling elsewhere to get close to stuffs in different regions in the world. They spent their precious time for research and development to make a better, educated, and cooperative society. There are many examples of great teachers like Vedvyas, Parsuram, and Dronacharya. Going into present, we see all the youths spending their all the time with movies, web series, and social media, and of course, news. Yes, there is something terribly wrong in our society today. Learning, the acquisition of knowledge or skills through study experience are being taught. Let's first talk about movies. Udaan is a movie is all about freedom. Freedom of a boy from his father's restricting ideologies. The movie exemplifies the behavior of parents which might affect the kids from not achieving or even the freedom to experiment with their interest in life. Lots of incidents depicted in the movie resonate with all of us in some or other way, which made the movie really masterpiece. Apart from this movie, there are dozens of Bollywood movies that really identify the level lot more than a typical masala 100 crore earning Bollywood movies. But the real problem is that these good movies never get popular. A movie that has a strong social message, a good lesson with a good meaningful storyline never gets fame. When in other side, a movie with some lame comedy, a bunch of romance with star kids fake expressions blast in box office and everyone talks about it. Why this all do matter? From decades, movies has been a part of learning in people. Knowingly or unknowingly, people believe what they see around them or what they feel, and that's why usually the products promoted by a star gets in demand. Nepotism has been a serious issue from long history of movie industry, and this has been enhanced because of people's judgment of selecting movies. Once the audience awake, the more responsible society there will be. The second thing comes after movies is news.
Gandhi did not descend from the heavens above. He came from us, said Jawaharlal Nehru. Rightly. After championing the cause of Indians in South Africa,
why can't you stand up for 52 seconds? Why can't you? Why? Theatre, Rotary Club or school. Why can't you stand up for 52 seconds? Why can't you stand up for 52 seconds? Why can't you? Today, because I'll tell you why. Because I'll tell you why. You hear me, then I'll tell you why. Can I tell you why? Can I tell you?
From many years, news has been an essential part of our daily life, whether it is on radio, in newspaper, or in news channel. News, current affairs make us more intellectual, more connected with the outer world. It makes us dominant over any discussions. But how can this make anyone more intellectual? Why this all drama happening in most of the Indian news channel? This is all happening because of TRP, popularity. The so-called intellectual makes conflicts, and they put religions in everywhere to make controversy, so that people keep entertained rather than giving some useful information or discussing about some important topics. A few news channels are there which are not rotten yet and continuing to maintain their quality, but they are not popular yet, and very few number of people spend their time watching these channels. These channels don't put so much effort for getting some useful information or to make a good documentary or discussion on a healthy topic. They put useless and pointless topics which no people give a damn about. And second thing, political party and religion. The media puts political parties and religions in any topic or discussions to create controversy and to make people connected to this. And they put these highly toxic and biased things into people's mind. India is a country with a long history. There are more than 7 billion of people with more than 6 religions, make it more diverse. We have tons of achievements since our ancient past. We have seen lots of ups and downs taking from Indus Valley civilization to today's democracy. We have done a million of development and placed our country in a competitive level globally. The aim of the video is to wake up people and to give a hand in building our nation. Let's make a promise today to make a ignorant, cooperative and a responsible society with a bright future.